All right, I just wanted to quickly make a tutorial on adding properties to the real estate agency component of the website. All you have to do is click on New, and a blank slate comes up, and we can key in a title. And we'll call it commercial. You can pick from lease, rent, or sale. All these are, obviously for residential properties, but you can put in an address, and I'll just put in my address. And it's in the US, and when it does that, it populates Florida and defaults to the first name on the list, but we'll put it in Tampa, and that pre-filled my zip code, and we'll just call it Carrollwood. Now this is kind of nice. It fills in the map coordinates if you've got the address, shows them on Google Maps, and that's the mapping that will show up on the website. And you can see my dive site company has got a listing at my address at home, and so if there is a Google property listing, you'll see that. And we'll price it at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm not going to put in a price text, but you could put in a little descriptive text. I'm going to say it's $15,875, and we're going to change that to square feet. And it's called living area, but we can make changes so that that's not what shows up. Here's the interesting part I wanted to, or doesn't show up on the website. Here's the interesting thing I wanted to show you. In the description editor, you can you put in your verbal description, but you can put in multiple files. All right, and where you go to do that is right here. If you hover over it, it says insert or edit a file. Well, first of all, I'm going to click down. And I put the hardened files up there just to have something, but we can upload anything by, going to Windows Explorer, and we can put any kind of file in there we want to. But I've already uploaded those, but once you drag them there, you just click upload, then they show up in this basket under listing, or file directory under listings info. So I'll just click harden and insert. Oops. It should show already. Let's try clicking the other one. Yeah, there we go. Now we can click harden. Yes. That was just because I had nothing highlighted before. So now we see that the link to that file is in there. Now we can put in another file. In this case, I'll just put in the Northwood file. Insert. And you can either put your description. I'd put the click a link below at the top of the descriptive area, but you could put your descriptive text in here as long as you want, number of office spaces, etc., whatever your description is. Then you can go back up to details, and you can fill in if there's a lot that's expressed in either acres or square feet. Let's just say it's 1.5 acres, and the building size 15875 square feet. So, and then there's numerous things to select from, and we can add to those or delete, but you can ignore some of them. If you do have any video of the site, you can add that, and we can add an image, and sorry, I hadn't been into so we could just go to more pics and click Hyde Park Chavez, open it, and upload, and it's now going to be on the site. So we can go and save this. And it's saving. And we can go look at it. This is my little website that is the playground, my sandbox for customers at this point. But here we have it, best building ever, and it's listed at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can view the details. Shows the picture. Click down all the way down for description, and you can see here's the descriptive, non-descriptive text, and here's one of the PDFs, and there it is, and it can be downloaded or just read online.